Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to start learning and we will do a Google Scavenger Hunt. So, what you should do is we're going to, I'm not going to the presenter mode so that way we can work with the different slides. So, it says to complete the scavenger hunt below, you will need to be curious and resourceful. You will not need to leave this document to complete these tasks. Everything you need is right here. Please read the directions for each task carefully. So the first task says use the shape tool. So here is the shape tool. You're going to look for 3 different shapes. So I'm going to do the circle and I'm going to draw my circle here. I'm going to do it bigger. And here you can change the color. I'm going to look for an orange circle. And then I'm going to copy this code. I'm going to do a Command C. It's for copy. And Command V is to paste it. Oh, wrong one. So I have my first, but I need 3 different shapes. So I'm going back to the shapes and I'm going to do now a square. So I draw my square here. I'm going to choose the color blue and I'm going to copy the second code. Control C is to copy and Control V is to paste. So I need a third shape. So I'm going to the shape. So an arrow is not a shape. So I have to look for a shape. I'm going to choose a triangle. I go here and I'm going to expand it. And I'm going to look for a green color. So I have my 3 shapes, but I'm missing the number here. It says, use the following color codes to fill them in. I didn't do it. Let me see. What's that color? I'm going to find out. So if I go here, where do I find that color? I don't have patience. So we're going to leave them like that. Maybe I changed the instructions to just paste the numbers there. So I'm going to make the triangle bigger so the number fits. And I complete my task number 1. I'm going to task number 2. It says using the Explore tool. So I have to look for the Explore. So I go to Tools. I go to Explore. And it's going to open the Explore tool. So it says search your documents and the web. So it says insert 2 images of places that you would like to visit. So I'm going to say I want to go to Italy and I'm going to look. Italy is a country, but now I'm going to images. So I'm going to images, but I don't want the map. I want the beautiful picture of the Ponte Vecchio. I'm going to add that picture, but it's too big. So I have to reduce it so it can fit the square. Okay. And if I want to read about it, I can click here and it takes me to a different site and I can read about the Ponte Vecchio and words about it. But I don't have time right now. So the second place that I want to travel is to Argentina. I'm going to look for images. This is the flag, but I don't want the flag. Argentina is here at the very end of the South America. And I'm going to choose a very, very interesting picture. What about this one? Do you think that is interesting enough? So did you notice I can drag the picture, and now I'm going to make it smaller to fit here. I'm going to close Explore because I don't need it anymore. Okay, I need to move this here to make it smaller. It's too big. And I'm going to reduce it like this as well. A little bit more because my square is very little. And now I'm going to put it here. And I can go and click on this one. So those are the two places that I would like to go and visit. Okay. So now my task is complete. I'm going to scroll down and it says the third, use the following link and insert it as a video. So if I click here, it's going to take me to a YouTube video. I want you to watch it
if you're looking
because you're going to need it. Okay, not these, but the actual video. Okay, when you skip,
welcome to my tutorial on Google Slides.
It's going to help you with this video. I'm going to return to my slide. So now I'm going to task number 4. Task number 4 says using word art, caption this photo. So I'm going to insert, I'm going to word art, but I have to give a title to this picture. My case will be traveling to the future. Okay, you have to spell it correctly. Now I'm going to reduce it. I'm going to put it here. But the letters, the colors are not interesting. So again, I'm going to fill with color and I'm going to put a very vibrant color. But then you can put a background. Using the crop tool, and let me find it, change the shape border. So I'm going to shapes. It's not here. I'm going to replace image. I'm learning with you. Don't think for a second that I have it all figured out. Oh, I know how. You click here and you double click in the mouse and it says crop image. So it's here. So did you notice? Let's do it again. So it's not there anymore. But if I double click in the image, it gives me the crop image. So I go there and then I said shapes. I know an easier way. So you click here and here is the border. I think it's an easier way to do it. So I put 4. So now it has a frame, but I want to do the frame in a different color. So I'm going to put a red color in the border. Yes, I like it way better. Do you like it? Okay. So now let's go to task number 5. Insert a table with 3 columns and 5 rows. So I'm going to go to insert and I'm going to go table. It says 3 columns, 1, 2, 3, and 5 rows. This is the first row, second, third, 4, 5. So I'm going to insert it here. And I'm going to make it smaller. I'm going to move it. And it says, fill the columns with a color of your choice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mark them And then I'm going to fill them with a nice color. This one is going to be orange. This one is going to be blue. And this one is going to be pink. So then label the columns with your favorite type of ice cream. Okay, but to write the name, it says use the font Aladdin. So I'm going here and you look for the font. Let me see if I have the font. I'm going to look here for the font Aladdin. Oh, yes, I have it. Okay. So I'm going to put vanilla. It's my first ice cream, but I'm going to do it a little bigger. And then I want to center. I go here and I want to center it. Then my next is chocolate. Oh, but it's not Aladdin. Did you notice that? So I'm going to take the name. Aladdin. Oh, no. I'm going to delete it all. It's not helping me. I'm learning with you. Chocolate. And again, I'm going to make it bigger. And I'm going to center it. And the last one I'm going to do, I'm going to check that I have Aladdin and it's bigger. I'm going to put strawberry. And I'm going to center it. So my task number 5 is done. And you can see here the instructions if you don't know how to do it. Then I'm going to task number 6, change the background color of this slide to a gradient. So this slide, I'm going to go to slide, change background, but that's not what it's asking us. It's asking us for the background, change background. So the color, these are solid and these are the solid colors and these are the gradient colors. So I'm going to choose this blue and I'm going to say done. So I changed the color. Task number 6 is ready. Task number 7, use the following links to create a slide design of your favorite thing. Pick font. So I'm going to upload. Let me see what's the instruction. Your favorite thing. My favorite thing, I'm going to upload a picture. My favorite thing, I'm going to tell you what it is. My favorite thing is singing. Okay. And let me see what it says. Okay, my text here. I change it here. I love singing. And now I'm going to move it here, but I'm going to change color because it's the same color of my blouse. Okay, I love singing. Should I crop it? Yes. I'm going to crop it. Okay, so then what am I going to do? Font meme. Okay, I'm going to save it as a And then let's go here. It says font meme. Let's go to a meme. Text generator. So should we upload the picture here or what? Font, text generator, 3D. Singing is fun. Okay, and I'm gonna do it with this font. Generate. Okay. Embed an image to an image or a website. Okay, so I'm going to bring it to here. Okay, embed it to a picture. So what I'm going to do is I'm learning. Be patient with me. So I'm going to insert my picture from the computer, and the one that I just downloaded is the first one here. And I'm gonna embed the other thing that I was doing. No, I don't know how to work. So you have several options, but the main thing is that we're done with our task. You're gonna submit it on Canvas for a grade. Thank you for watching.